Is Microsoft Excel 2010 giving you more headaches than helpful spreadsheets? Today, we're banishing it from your computer completely, ensuring a fresh start for your system. First, let's head to the Control Panel. Click on the Windows Start button, usually found in the lower left corner of your screen. In the Start menu, find and click on Control Panel. Once the Control Panel is open, look for Programs and Features. Might also be labeled Uninstall a program, depending on your view settings. Click on it. Now, in the list of installed programs, locate Microsoft Office 2010, or, if you see it listed separately, Microsoft Excel 2010. Click on the entry to select it. With the program selected, you should see an Uninstall or Change option appear at the top. Click Uninstall. If prompted, confirm that you want to remove the application. The uninstallation process will now begin. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and let it run its course. Once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer, and that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Excel 2010. Enjoy your cleaner, conflict-free system.